What's up everybody, River Caraba, the analytics guy here, coming back at you with another video. Today, we're going to talk about live streams. We're going to talk about ways live streams can be used in ways that especially there are some creators on YouTube are using, but maybe not the way that you are using. So today, live streams. Getting people to come in, talking about a topic, right? Maybe you put a really good thumbnail. If you're doing it right, you're scheduling that live stream right. We can do it on our phones. We can do it on desktop now. Everything is good in the world of live streams. But what is something that we could take it a little further? You know, super chats are great. We're not going to talk about that. You know, communicating directly with your community, that's great. We're also not going to talk about that. But when you are putting a live stream, you have a captive audience. So when you plan a live stream, yes, you should plan, not just as a means to whip out your phone and start live streaming just because, oh, I haven't put out a video in a while. But if you plan on what that topic is going to be, hype that topic off, tweet about it, post about it. If you want to put in the community forum of your channel, if you're over 10,000 subscribers, remind people that way. Go into your live stream, okay? Make sure in the comment section below you have all the components that you need. More to come on that. Build your topic up. Remember, a live stream is accumulating watch time, okay? Watch time, we know, is one of the biggest indicators for the algorithm. So if you're getting people in, I'm not saying be a jerk and make them wait until whatever you're gonna do, right? But let's say you have a video or something that people have been looking forward to on your channel. You can do a live stream announcing that video, okay? So you can talk about it, you can converse with your community, and then you're building it up, you're building it up, you're building it up, and then you can drop the video. So let's say you have hundreds or thousands or millions even of people on your live stream watching your content, and then you drop the video. What you can do is put that link in the description below, right? And then let everyone know when it's pushed live. So the links on YouTube when you have or publish a video, right? It's gonna be the same link, even if you have it set private. So you can have it in the description below, and if people try to go to it, they just won't be able to watch it. So you can start that by putting that link in the description below, and then when you're ready, after you've built up that audience, let them know to go. So let's just imagine this. Let's say you just have thousands of people watching your live stream, okay? And you build this up, and you're like, okay guys, I'm so ready to announce this. Check out the link in the description below. I just pushed it live. Go check it out right now. Comment in the comment section of that video, whatever it is, whatever. What you just did is you just pushed an influx of people that are already captive to your video right now, okay? So you've been accumulating a watch time, all this watch time on this current video live stream that you're watching, not this exact one, but proverbially what they're watching for you. So you're building up a lot of watch time and the session. So a session is how much videos they watch concurrently in one sitting, okay? So now they're going to another one of your videos. So that automatically is now going to tell the algorithm, oh, this person must really like this person because they're watching multiple of their videos. So maybe they'll start pushing occasional notifications to them. They'll start giving you credit. Then thousands of views go at once to that video, thus increasing the velocity of views that YouTube is monitoring to that video. So velocity, what is that? That is the rate, the exponentially growing rate of this, in this case, of views that a video is accumulating. So how do you get put on the trending tab? When your velocity of views is cranked up, right? That's why you can see videos on the trending tab of YouTube that have, you know, hundreds of thousands of views, and some have millions of views, right? So it's easy to understand a video that has millions of views, like, oh yeah, a lot of people are watching that, thus the trending tab. But if it's just hundreds of thousands, you kind of ask yourself, in comparison with those videos, like, why did that video versus that one, you know? And if you're open to any idea that isn't just like YouTube's favoritism, this is how that happens, right? You can artificially create a surge that is not doing anything against the rules, right? This is just being creative. I'm dropping those videos. You can do the same thing to another channel if you want to, right? So maybe you and a buddy are doing a live stream, you're talking about this, and you want to help through a collaboration with someone, drop their video, and it's in your description below, and boom, go watch it now. That is one hell of a collaboration idea that you could do just totally for free from the analytics guy. These are ideas that are going to help you build your watch time, help YouTube promote your channel more, get in front of more people, and actually start notifying with their new notifications system. We just put up a video recently talking about that. A cocktail for success, if I've ever heard one. Guys, I've been talking at you for about 5 minutes so far. I don't want to waste any more of your time. And you know what I mean? I like to give it to you just quick and down and dirty. So that's going to do it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if any of you in that comment section down below are going to try this. Let me know what your channels are and things like that. Maybe I'll check it out. Maybe I'll join one of your live streams if I have a minute. But guys, I hope this was helpful, and we will see you in the next video.